Guys, you've probably seen those animal shorts getting millions of views, right? Well, what if I told you that you can make your own viral animal story shorts? Even better, more fun, and totally free to create. In this video, we're going to make a brand new animal story short that looks awesome and has that perfect viral vibe. But before we start, let me show you a small part of the final video, just a few seconds, so you can see what we're about to create. All right, check this out.
In a bustling city alley, a stray cat named Milo ruled the rooftops, fearless, hungry, and utterly free. He prowled the streets with quiet confidence, stealing fish from market stalls, curling up on the warm hoods of parked cars, and watching the world unfold from the highest walls. One stormy evening, as rain poured from the grey sky, Milo noticed a tiny kitten shivering beneath a bench, small, trembling, and completely alone. For the first time, he did.
Pretty cool, right? Now, imagine making a full short like that yourself, step by step, from the beginning to the end. That's exactly what we're doing in this tutorial. I know you've seen a lot of tutorial videos before, but this one's different. This is a complete, easy, and beginner-friendly guide that anyone can follow. So, stay with me till the end, because you're going to learn something really fun and powerful today. All the prompts and commands I use in this video are in the description below, so you can follow along easily. First, we need a story, and we'll make it using ChatGPT. I've shared a story in the description. Just copy it, open ChatGPT, and follow what I do. Then we'll turn that story into matching images, and finally, we'll bring those images to life and make a full animated video. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create your own viral animal short. Step by step, easy to follow, and super professional. So guys, you should open ChatGPT and tell it that you will send a story and want it to create 3 more stories in the same style, tone, and length. Then click the arrow to send it. ChatGPT will respond with, "Perfect, go ahead, send me your story." Send your story. Once it reads your story, it will generate 3 new stories in the same style. Copy the story from the video description I provided, paste it into ChatGPT, and it will make 3 new 50-second stories for your YouTube short. You can also customize your story. For example, if you want a story about a cat, lion, or zebra, just tell ChatGPT to make it about that animal. ChatGPT will generate 3 new stories about your chosen animal. Read all 3 stories and choose the best one. I selected the second story because it suited me best. Next, create a new chat in ChatGPT by clicking the pencil icon. Tell ChatGPT you will send a story and want it smooth, with no seconds counted. ChatGPT will respond, "Go ahead, please send me your story." Send your selected story from the previous chat. ChatGPT will now make the story smooth for AI voice generation. Copy the smooth story and save it in Notepad for later. You can title it for easy reference. Go back to ChatGPT and paste this prompt under your story. Give me scene-by-scene image prompts for this story. The style should be 3D cartoonish with a consistent look and characters. Click the arrow, and ChatGPT will generate 6 prompts for your story. These prompts will maintain the same style and consistent characters for all scenes. Copy the first prompt from ChatGPT. Go to the Google Play Store or App Store and search for Leonardo AI. You can also use the website version. I already have it installed, and I update it to the latest version. Open Leonardo AI, click Generate, then click the Settings icon to customize the image ratio. Select 9:16 for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Choose the FLUX.Kontext image style. Paste the first scene prompt and generate your first image. Once it looks professional, download it. To make all images consistent with the same characters, search for Gemini AI on Google, Play Store, or App Store, or you can also use the web version and download the app. Open it, Then click the plus icon to upload your first Leonardo AI image. Click Create Image, paste the second scene prompt from ChatGPT, and generate the second image. Download it. Repeat this process for all remaining prompts to generate consistent images for each scene. Always use your first image as the reference for character consistency. Now let's make animated videos from the generated images. To do that, search Google VO2 on Google, click the first website, and create an account. Click the plus icon to upload images and convert them into video. Before uploading, go to ChatGPT and write this prompt under the image prompts. Okay, friend, I've generated all the images using the prompts you gave me. Now I want to convert all those images into a video. So give me the perfect prompt to add animation to all the images so I can create a perfect animation in each one. Make separate animated prompts for each scene. Then ChatGPT will make your animation prompts. Make sure to copy your animation prompt for each scene from ChatGPT. Paste it when uploading each image to Google VO2. You should also click the Customize icon in the top right corner to select the 9:16 ratio in VO2 to ensure your videos are perfect for YouTube Shorts. Generate each image to video scene and download it. Repeat for all images. Copy your story from Notepad. Search ElevenLabs on Google. Sign up for free, preferably using Google. Click the menu icon, then Voices. Then click Filter and apply filters. Language, English category, narrative, and story. Gender, male, choose your preferred voice and click the 3 dots to Add to My Voices. Then go to Text-to-Speech, select your voice, and paste the story. Generate the AI voiceover and download it. Use a free video editing app like InShot, CapCut, or KineMaster. I use InShot. Import all the videos you created from images. Arrange them in sequence. Remove the watermark using the free option. Add your AI voiceover as audio. Adjust each scene so it matches the voiceover perfectly. Split, trim, and delete any irrelevant parts. Add black fade transitions where needed. Optionally, add background music from YouTube's free library for more engagement. Adjust the voiceover speed if necessary to sync perfectly with the visuals. Once everything is synced and polished, click Export. Your video is now ready to upload to YouTube, TikTok, or other social media. With this method, your short is fully engaging and has a high chance of going viral. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe, like, and share. Also, check our WhatsApp channel link in the description for updates. Thanks for watching. We are always here to help you with the best AI tools and latest news.